Hello everyone, I am Zara and you're watching Sibling Productions. To make these delicious cupcakes without egg and without oven. So let's begin. So first we're going to put the wet ingredients. Over here we have half cup of curd. So let's pour it in. It is room temperature. Next we're going to put 1/3 cup of butter. You can also prefer oil. Now we're going to whisk it up thoroughly. This should be the consistency. Now we have powdered sugar. We're going to put it in. Now we're going to mix it. Now we have mixed all of the three ingredients: curd, butter and sugar. Now with the sieve we're going to sieve the dry ingredients. Over here we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour / maida. Now we have 2 teaspoons of custard powder. You can also use vanilla essence. It gives good smell. Now I'm going to put it in. In custard powder, it also gives good color and good smell. Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Let's put it in. So now we're going to sieve it. You can see we're sieving it. So let's see. We're going to mix using the cut and fold method while adding milk as per as needed. So let's pour milk a little by little. We're going to mix it nicely so lumps won't be created. You can see we have mixed thoroughly. We need this consistency. We're going to be making 2 types of cupcakes, 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla. So over here we have 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. We're going to put it in. Now we're going to put half the batter in. We have 2 batters, our vanilla batter for vanilla cupcakes and we have chocolate batter for chocolate cupcakes. To grease our cupcake mold, so let's grease it. We have cupcakes wrappers. Now let's put it in. Now we're going to put in our chocolate batter. 1 scoop. And now we're going to put in the second scoop. So we have placed the batter into the cupcake wrappers. We're supposed to fill it halfway so it does not overflow. We have half vanilla and half chocolate. Now we're going to place it into the kadhai. Over here we have the kadhai. Make sure to do this in adult supervision. We have already preheated the kadhai for 15 minutes. It is hot. Over here we have salt. The salt is pink because we have cooked it many times. So now let's put the batter in. Now we have placed the batter in. Now we're going to let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. See you after 15 minutes. 15 minutes are done and the cupcakes are rising very nicely. And we have to put the flame on medium. Remember that. Look at this. So puffy. Nice. Cupcakes are done. They're very nicely rised. It only took 20 to 25 minutes. Let's check if they're done. So if they come out clean, that means it's done. It is super clean. That means it's done. The cupcakes have cooled down. Now it's time for plating. So let's. Okay. Now we're putting them one by one. Plating is done. Now it is tasting time. Look, so fluffy. Now, so let us take a. So delicious and yummy. Hope you enjoyed. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Bye.